Listen to these 5 very effective and clinically proven tips to quickly achieve harder, fuller, and even bigger erections. But first, I want to share an ED success story from one of my subscribers. Mike said, "I want to thank you so much for recommending the ED reverser system. It is making such a huge difference in my sex life. I've noticed a shift in my confidence, testosterone levels, and the sex with my wife has been fantastic. I'm extremely grateful to come across your YouTube channel and the ED reverser system. Again, I wanted to say thank you so much for your help. It really does work, and I recommend it to anyone who struggles with erectile dysfunction." If you're watching this video, Mike, thank you for the reply. It is awesome, and I'm happy to hear about your success with the ED reverser system. But now, let's get into the very effective and clinically proven tips for you to quickly achieve harder, fuller, and even bigger erections. The first thing is, men, you have to lose that body fat. Your fat cells produce estrogen. The higher your body fat, the more estrogen your body has, which tells your testicles to produce less testosterone. So little by little, your fat cells produce higher female hormones, which leads to lower male hormones. No testosterone, no hard erections. Second, you have to be eating better. What you put or what you don't put in your body affects your hormones and blood flow, which directly influences your ability to get and maintain an erection. Eat more healthy fats such as eggs with the yolk, coconut, extra virgin olive oil, avocado, and almonds. Eating healthy fats helps increase your testosterone levels, which means a higher sex drive and better erections. Third, you have to exercise better. I say better because too much exercise increases your stress hormone cortisol and lowers your testosterone. Lift weights 3 to 4 times weekly, no more than 45 to 60 minutes. This builds muscle and increases testosterone. Also, do not do any stressful cardio such as long distance running, jogging, or biking. Either do some quick sprints for about 15 to 10 minutes, or better yet, go for a brisk 20-minute to 30-minute walk outside. Next, you want to be taking supplements. Unfortunately, foods today are completely lacking in so many essential vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts. So you need to manually replenish these essential nutrients by taking certain ingredients that increase your male hormones such as testosterone and decreases those erection-killing hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, and prolactin. Reducing your stress hormones such as cortisol is also important. You want to boost nitric oxide levels, which improve blood flow and circulation, which should increase the hardness and ease of getting an erection. By taking these specific nutrients, not only will you feel and look better, healthier, and younger, but your performance in the bedroom will dramatically improve, as well as the fullness and size of your penis and your erections. Men, you need to be sleeping better. Again, you'll notice I didn't say sleep more, even though most people are sleep deprived and should sleep an extra hour or 2 as needed. But by sleeping better and getting into a deeper REM sleep, or REM sleep, you'll optimize your hormone levels. And there are 3 simple ways to do this. Turn off any electronic device near your bed or put your phone on airplane mode to reduce the electromagnetic waves. Dim the lights and wear blue blocker glasses for about an hour before bed. And lastly, sleep before midnight, preferably around 10 p.m. Overall, fixing your erectile dysfunction is about optimizing and balancing your hormone levels. If you are serious about curing your erectile dysfunction, I recommend you take a look at the link in the description, which I have personally helped hundreds of men cure their erectile dysfunction naturally. You're not responsible for having erectile dysfunction, but you can take control and cure yourself. I was able to cure my and hundreds of other guys' erectile dysfunction with the link below. Check out the link in the description and make the decision for yourself if it is the right option for you.